Welcome my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Mishi. Today I have a really exciting video that I'm doing with Ruka. Ruka is a black owned natural hair, human hair extension company based in the UK. They are all about providing high quality hair that mimics our natural hair as much as possible. And over the weekend, I actually went to their pop-up event for the V2 launch and really got an insight more into what the brand represents, what they're trying to do, and just how disruptive they are in this space. Honestly, I am so happy to be partnering with them for this video. I've obviously done a partnership with them before, but this is the V2 launch. Come and look at the blend. Anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start off with some freshly washed hair. I'm gonna put my hair into sections just so I can put the leave-in conditioner in and not struggle. Detangled, so I'm just going to separate the front from the back. Okay, so let's do the bantu knot crown first. Make sure your hair is well moisturized, and then you want to make some triangular sections to start off your bantu knots. All of the products that I'll be using will be linked in the description bar down below. But you just want to do your typical bantu knot, so twist your hair on itself and then twist it on itself again. And yeah, just keep on going until you've done the entire front section to make your little crown. Next, you want to separate some hair around the crown of your head. So I did a little semicircle, and then I separated that hair and split that into two to make two braids just at the top of my head. In terms of how I sectioned my hair, I had 2 braids right at the back, and then the middle section had 4 braids. So in total, I had 8 braids plus the bantu knot crown. So this is one of the few times that I will advise you guys not to necessarily wash the hair straight out of the package, because it already comes pre-washed, pre-conditioned, it smells really good. But I wanted the curl pattern to match my braid out, so I decided to go in with 2 of the products that I used previously and just let it diffuse dry. Once my hair was dry, I took it out with a bit of oil, but I just want to show you guys a quick texture shot of the Ruka clip-ins and my braid out. Can we discuss? Oh my gosh, nah, come on. And the way that it blends with these curls as well, like, nobody can tell me this is not my hair. Wait, this way. Alright, so cute. I cannot deal. If this comes together the way I've envisioned, guys, nobody can chat to me. That's it. That's literally it. I hope this hair that I'm leaving on the top will cover the tracks the way I need it to. All right, look, guys, it's a look. My lighting's so bad here. Excuse me. But she's real cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
How nice if I just could let you in.
Hey guys, it's the end of the night. It's literally 1 a.m. I'm about to just braid my hair up again. I use the Bouslim oil. I have low porosity hair, so if I add water to my hair right now and then get ready in the morning, Lord knows my hair will not be dry. So this is gonna have to do. I hope it will still blend well with the Ruka hair, but we'll see. So this is the Ruka hair. I can't even recognize, like, this is the thing, I'm separating my hair right now. I don't even recognize where the Ruka hair is. That just tells you how well of a blend this is. What? I got so many compliments on my hair tonight, both from guys and girls. I think the one thing that I really enjoyed about the Ruka hair tonight is the fact that I didn't have to worry about my hair frizzing because I knew the extensions were gonna match it. The triologist for Ruka hair, she really did something with this blend, honestly. This is juju, like for reals. I like to refresh my curls most days with human hair, but I'm gonna actually try and see if I can just finesse this tomorrow, you know, because it's giving me good vibes. Not gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna have to do a braid out with the Ruka hair as well because it just gave a different vibe the next day and I loved it. In the end, I actually decided to comb out the hair just because I didn't want any issues with the blend. It was gonna be a long day, so I used a wide tooth comb. And yeah, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to show me love on the channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.